Hello everyone, welcome to Automobile Engineering class. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain electromagnetic clutches. These types of clutches are operated by electrically, but the torque is transmitted mechanically. This is why this type of clutch is known as electromechanical clutches. These clutches have no mechanical linkage to control their engagement. That's why it provides fast and smooth operation. The electromagnetic clutches are most suitable for a remote operation. That means you can operate the clutch at distance. Let us see the construction and working of electromagnetic clutches. See this figure, it consists of flywheel, clutch plate and pressure plate. This flywheel is mounted on this engine shaft. See here, this pressure plate is mounted on this clutch shaft. This clutch shaft is connected to the transmission input shaft. See this, the electromagnetic clutch has a flywheel containing winding. The battery or dynamo supplies the current to this winding. When the current passes through the winding plate, it produces an electromagnetic force which attracts the pressure plate, thereby engaging the clutch. When the power supply to winding is cut off, the clutch is disengaged position. In automobiles, the gear lever contains a clutch release switch. When the driver holds the gear lever to change the gear, the switch is operated, which cuts off the current to the winding. This causes the clutch to be disengaged. Thus, there is no need to depress the clutch pedal. It may be noted that at low speeds, the dynamo the dynamo output is low. Hence, the electromagnetic force produced in the winding is very small. Therefore, the clutch is not firmly engaged. For this reason, three springs are also provided on the pressure plate to balance this reduced electromagnetic force, helping in engaging the clutch firmly at low speeds also. This type of clutch is used in some of the Renault cars. Now see the advantages and disadvantages of electromagnetic clutches. In this first, see the advantages. The operating process is easy. The remote direction is used to operate a clutch as it has no requirement of linkage. Let us see the disadvantages of electromagnetic clutches. High cost. These clutches are very high cost as the high temperature is not sustained by any electrical components. There must be a limitation on operating temperature. This is the brief discussion about electromagnetic clutches. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.